Uh, this is about the consumption function. Now, according to the Keynesian economics, the consumption function is dependent on the current income. But however, a different view had been expressed by Frank Modigliani and Alan Ender. Now, according to him, the current consumption function is not a function of the current income, but the consumption at current is a function of the future earning capacity of a person. Now, that means a young person uh, who starts after graduation and a manual worker will have the same income, but the graduate person's um, consumption will be more because he anticipates a bigger income for in future years. Therefore, his consumption will be more. So, accordingly, he says the consumption is a function of the future earnings of the person, and not a it contradicts the Keynesian economic theory that the consumption is a function of the current income of the person.